So tell me about long-term care. Why is this such an important thing today in the world that we live in?
This is the issue of our generation. You know, we've got this convergence of longevity, and we've also got this little secret thing going on about genetics that's going to help us identify our predispositions to things like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. We're already seeing it with breast cancer and the ability to do the BRCA gene and do preventive health care. But as things evolve in medicine, we're going to see people's ability to screen for and guard against. And so we've got this convergence of longevity meeting finances. And the big issue that I think I'm posing to everyone is, how are you going to be able to live a long life when most people are having a difficult time living the life today? And so I think, I've been consumed with this space. We'll call it long-term care, but it's really just planning for longevity, because everybody is going to need some type of health care. If you live a long time, the body, unfortunately, I won't say it breaks down, but people do need help.
Yeah.
And hopefully you have a spouse who is capable and who is strong, but I think the odds are people who get older are going to need assistance. And so this space we'll call long-term care, I think, is critical. And it's not about insurance, it's about having a plan to protect and preserve a lifetime of assets.
So is it kind of the convergence of, you said longevity, so people are living longer, right? We're living into our 90s, 100, is becoming a new norm. You also have rising healthcare costs. You also have the fact that if we're going to retire at 60, 65, we're not going to work for 35 years. So it's kind of this perfect storm of, how are we going to pay for this?
Yeah, this is not an individual problem. This is a governmental, society-wide problem. In this culture in America, unfortunately, the burden isn't on families. Sometimes the burden is on individuals. And so they have to develop a plan so that there's capital, money, a plan. If people need health care and they need assistance with stuff, how is it going to happen? And so this is something I've been really passionate about and I think is really important.